Hello, this is Gordon from Metaverse Crypto. It's December 10th, coming at you with another video here. It's been a while since I've done an update on Elephant Money, and they've had a lot of changes going on here. If you want to get into the information, here's their website, elephant.money. They also have the Telegram, which will be included in the links below. Not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research on this one. There has, again, been a lot of changes. We'll cover a few of them here, but definitely get into the Telegram to follow up. There's things going on. They still have, their main hitters going. You have the Elephant Money token. You can get into futures. You can get into the unlimited NFTs, which actually pay you in Elephant Money token. But they've had changes going on where they've actually got rid of Stampede, and now Trunk is becoming an active token. So we're going to cover a few of these things here today. Definitely stick around. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe, and we'll get forward and going on them here. So here's their Twitter as well. They also had a Spaces of December 6th and talked about some of these changes. Check that out. Elephant Status at Elephant Status is their Twitter as well. They also have a Medium, which is kind of tracking changes on BUSD. This is another thing that's going on. They're moving away from BUSD and they do coding and programming, so they're going to be rewarding in different tokens going forward. So they're going to move forward on this. BNB, they're one of the largest holders of BNB, so they're just kind of tracking changes if you get to their Medium as well, so you can follow that. As far as what's been happening with Bertha, and that's the treasury. If you're not familiar with Elephant Money, please check some earlier videos on this. But Bertha is actually, she just holds the tokens and only need when she needs to sell them. If she needs to have some money, she's not like a live person holder which can dump. Bertha just kind of actually increases, so she's got 2 trillion tokens that has gone up here and at 195 trillion. So this is another big point. The flipping has happened right now. Bertha owns more tokens than the rest of the human holders. So this is kind of the second flippening that's happening, and there's another one when Bertha will actually overtake the graveyard, which is actually happens once there's 10 trillion tokens. Those are redistributed. There's a bit of a sell, which gives it's typically eaten up relatively fast. So they have Dune Analytics. You can follow all this stuff as well. So make sure you get onto that as well. Quickly looking at the price, again, they have 2 liquidity contracts. They have a BUSD liquidity contract, and they also want it in BNB. So this is kind of the chart as it's been going forward. Kind of been an up and down. It was the big sell off here, and then we went back down to there as well. A lot of people don't like contract changeovers, So and the things that are happening here are good for the ecosystem and what's happening. I mentioned that they've gone Trunk now, and they've moved away from Stampede. So Trunk, you can earn that if you stake you have Trumpet and you stake that, you earn Trunk, and then Trunk is actually now traded on exchanges. So you actually get the value for this to actually when it was exploited a couple years ago, all the value for the trunk was taken away, and now they're earning this back. So they're going to get to a certain point where the valuation of this, there's a portion of Bertha, the percentage that it earns, there's a 10% tax on Elephant Money that will actually be used for buyback and burn and driving the prices up. So trunk is now deflationary, and it also has no tax. So this allows the advantage of alpha money to be traded on central exchanges at some point. So right now, you get in the decentralized world, and when it gets to the centralized exchanges, it could be a good medium of value to drive up if you invest in this token. Again, do the research on Trunk and look at that one, but you can utilize it, and now it's going to be going up. It's kind of in that 10-cent range, and it could be worth upwards of value. It was supposed to be pegged at originally around $1, but now the upper bound is depending on the market and what they want to do with that and how it trades. So, and here's the other contract, the wrapped BNB contract, where it has the liquidity pool for this one as well. As you can see, it's taped off, and they typically, if you buy on the Elephant Money website, um, the buys and sells go on, but you only pay 8.5% tax, so you can save yourself on taxes if you get in here and you want to buy the Elephant token. You click on that one and do the buy from the site. You actually pay a little bit less tax, and if you buy with Bertha, basically it gives you the best deal. So if you buy on the website, you can get into the contract if it's cheaper to buy from the BUSD contract. Right now, as you can see, it's at 31.94 for BUSD, and it's 3,238. So it will buy for you at the cheaper price, so you can get in there. So that's also another one to look for. So, anyways, those are some of the updates that happened with Elephant Money since the last time we've talked. Again, we'll look into this one and try and do a few more updates regularly. I hope you like my videos. Again, please like and subscribe if you do like my content. This is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto.